What happens when a museum becomes a battlefield? The Museum of Contemporary Art's exhibition Monuments in Los Angeles, which opened in 2025, is not just showing history, it's fighting it. By displaying the toppled statues of the Confederacy, the show decisively dismantles the white supremacist myth of the lost cause. For over 150 years, these monuments enforced a lie. They were political weapons, forged in the aftermath of the Civil War and deployed in a long ideological war over the nation's memory. The statues are stripped of their heroic power and forced to bear the evidence of public resistance. The curators execute this historical judgment through artistic iconoclasm and surgical recontextualization. Kara Walker butchers Stonewall Jackson. The Jefferson Davis statue is paired with photographs of the Ku Klux Klan. The museum uses its institutional authority to enforce a historically clear emancipationist reading of the past. The Contemporary Museum is moving from a passive repository to an active, socially engaged civic platform, a change explored in the theories of post-critical museology. Michel Foucault distinguishes between two types of power. The old power was the power of spectacle, the violent public display of sovereign authority. The Confederate monuments broadcasting a heroic narrative in a public square were pure spectacle, but the exhibition executes a profound shift. It removes them from spectacle and places them within a space of surveillance, the museum. Inside this panoptic machine, both the statues and the viewers are disciplined. The statues are captive objects under a constant critical gaze. The viewer, likewise, is no longer passive but is guided, observed, and disciplined. The museum uses the art of distributions and hierarchical observation to control meaning. It enforces a powerful, normalizing judgment. Visitors are granted access only on the condition that they adopt the approved critical lens. The museum's power is therefore automatic and psychological. It replaces one form of public pedagogy with another, the historically wounded object in a curated panoptic cage. This doesn't diminish the work, but it reveals the uneasy reality that even our most progressive cultural work is entangled with the very mechanisms of power it seeks to critique. The Monuments exhibition models a necessary reckoning, guided by institutional strength, challenging both history and the terms of its own authority.